witness stands alone, untouched by the storm. No object can claim it, no drama can form. Turn not to the scene, but the seeing itself, the light that reveals it is already wealth. Here and now, the awakening flame, no future to chase, no past to blame. Pure awareness shines, silent and free. I am the space where the whole world can be. Mind makes enlightenment a far distant shore, ego to achieve, always craving for more. Yet truth never waits, never hides, never flees. It's already here in effortless ease. Here and now, the awakening flame, no future to chase, no past to blame. Pure awareness shines, silent and free. I am the space where the whole world can be. Master points directly, cuts through the dream. No theory, no story, just radiant beam. Ego trembles, then softly dissolves in grace. Fear turns to freedom, finding its place. Personality crumbles, just memories and fright. True self is the witness, eternal pure light. Stop feeding the mask, let attention return to the heart of being, where nothing can burn. Here and now, the awakening flame, no future to chase, no past to blame. Pure awareness shines, silent and free. I am the space where the whole world can be. Thoughts come and go like clouds in the sky. Between every flicker, vast silence lies. Rest in that gap, let the noise fade away. There lives only being, no me left to play. Here and now, the awakening flame, no future to chase, no past to blame. Pure awareness shines, silent and free. I am the space where the whole world can be. and faces, but joy is the pause when craving erases. Death has no power when form is released. Consciousness alone forever increased. Here and now, the awakening flame, no future to chase, no past to blame. Pure awareness shines silent and free. I am the space where the whole world can be. The world rises within you, not outside your sight. Stars, trees, and lovers, all reflections of light. You